Don't touch me. Spit
get out of my face. So get out of my face. I don't care. I'm not calm now. I'm not calm. Bro, arrest me.
We're not going to sit here and deal with this.
I swear to God, arrest me. Arrest me. I swear to God. I swear to God, arrest me.
A toddler was found wandering alone until some loudmouthed woman grabbed the kid like it was hers. She talked big, disrespected cops and got a free crash course in humility. Walmart never disappoints.
Whoa. Ma'am. Miss. You okay, ma'am?
Everything's fine.
Okay.
What you still calling me for?
Well, because we got a call of a juvenile that's, walking around the lot.
Because we're paying for food, so we have a lot going on. You can see that, right?
Okay.
Thank you. We're good.
She ran up, grabbed a random kid claiming it was hers, then changed her story mid-meltdown. 1 minute, that's my child. The next, mind your business.
Ma'am, can I get your information, please? We just got to document this. That yes, sir.
You better get out First of all, it's not even my kid, so you need to mind your business. He walked away, we're paying for food. You need to mind your business. You don't need to make a scene, you don't need to do nothing. You need to walk away.
Listen, we're not
I got my kid, you need to walk away now.
Listen, but
that's it. There's no fact about it. The fact is you need to walk away.
Yeah, but
there's nothing else about it. There's nothing else about it.
Somebody called the cops.
Nothing. Because the kid was standing up there, right? Okay then, we didn't call them, so we didn't need you. I didn't ask for you, so you can go ahead now. I'm not going to cooperate because I have a right to. I don't need to. Go ahead.
I found her on the portal.
Okay.
So I called because I didn't know.
Okay, so you called him. So talk to him. He called. You guys don't call. No, I'm not the parent. So that's what you need to mind your business.
But
go ahead. All right, go ahead. You brought him inside, so go to head. Don't get smacked. Get the out of my face, bro.
Ma'am,
I said it's not my kid, so therefore I don't care. We're done talking.
I get that.
We're done.
Your kid.
We're finished. We're finished.
In charge of the kid,
We're finished. No, I'm not. We're finished. No, I'm not. We're finished.
So who was supposed to be in charge of the kid?
We're done. We're done. I don't know. It doesn't matter. We're done. Right.
So she was supposed to be in charge of that kid.
I'm not in charge of any kid because none of these kids are mine. Therefore, the kid walked away, right? Because of paying for stuff. We have 3 children. Don't you see that? There's 2 of us. You see that, right? We got stuff going on. No, he's being a whoever called the cops being a so now I'm gonna be a too. I actually walk away.
I'm not trying to be a
yes, you are.
Okay.
Man, just talk to me then.
There's nothing to talk about.
So this is the kid? The kid is in the gray hat, but I'm gonna speak to the guy that found the kid. Sir.
What's up, buddy?
Listen, man, I appreciate your help. You did absolutely the right thing.
Listen, I wasn't gonna let the kid stand out there.
Because God forbid the kid gets hit by a car. Do you have your license on you? I'm gonna take your information. Like I said, I'm trying to get her information and document this, but you see how she is.
So was the parent to that kid here?
No. Why? What happened?
Well, somebody called saying he was walking
he walked away. That's him. He walked away. Kids do. We didn't see him. So therefore, we didn't see him. We didn't know he walked away. We went to go find him. Though.
That's fine.
Nobody told us that the kid was out there. We went to go find him. We found him.
I'm not saying you're in trouble.
All right, so then tell him to go to the head. Tell him I'm not cooperating. Go ahead. You're not getting my name. You're not getting. Go ahead.
I understand, but listen, we got called here, so we have to do our due diligence.
Okay, so do what you gotta do. You see that we got the kid back.
We just have to confirm who we're turning the kid over to. That's all.
Me and him. Me and her. That's it. Me and her. That's it.
But I don't know who you guys are in relation to the child. That's all.
They're with us, right? They're with us. He came to me, right?
Well,
that's it.
I don't know that, though.
We don't know you.
Cops trying to find the real guardian while she lost it completely. The man who saved the kid stayed calm. Proof that drama screams louder than logic.
Yeah, but you see I'm a police officer, right?
Okay, that don't mean. What the f*** that mean? That mean you here for me? No?
If it's not your kid, you're still responsible for him. You brought him out the house, right?
Right, exactly. And I'm trying to explain that to her
20 degrees outside.
Calmly, and you see how she is reacting. So you just found the kid just wandering down the
I was walking in the store, I just parked, and I see a kid in the street. I looked around, there's no parent, no nothing. And I called him on and then I called the desk.
I appreciate it. What's the phone number for you, sir?
You weren't here when the caller called and had the child by themselves, right?
Okay. And so when I seen the kid, I was go get him.
I understand, but if this lady walked up and said that's my kid, we can't just trust that. We have to verify.
How you gonna find out? How you gonna find out if it's my kid?
Well, I'm asking you because I'm asking you. You have pictures of the child on your phone to prove.
We got pictures of the kid. We got pictures of the kid. Why would we have pictures of the kid? Why wouldn't we? Let me see.
Well, if it's your child, you probably have pictures on your phone, right?
Why would that matter?
Because
Why would that matter? You
it's
see,
just so,
look.
It's just so we can
Just
confirm.
Look, there you go. See, look. That's the.
Okay, what's the child's name? Okay, I just have to write it down. That's
no, you
all.
don't. Get out of here.
Okay, well, ma'am, I'm trying to work with you, but I can't let you leave with the child unless I confirm who he belongs to. That's all. I'm trying to make this very easy for you. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm not trying to do anything.
Alright, so hurry up, because now you're dragging it.
That's fine. That's fine. So, what is the child's name?
It wasn't him.
Asked for proof, she answered with volume, screaming, swearing, and threatening cops in front of a toddler.
So shut up. Get out my face.
I'm not getting out of your fault.
Y'all shut the up. Get the out of my face.
And what's the last name? Ma'am, what's the last name? Ma'am, what is the last name?
What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name?
Ma'am, stop scaring the child. I'm
No,
talking
shut
to you.
up.
This is not going to work out in your favor if you don't just cooperate.
Not gonna help you either. If you put handcuffs on me, you're going to jail.
Nobody said anything about putting handcuffs on
No,
anybody.
you don't have nothing to talk about.
Stop yelling. You're causing a scene in Walmart.
Stop talking to me.
Ma'am, what is your relationship to the child? Okay, the child is not leaving here with you guys unless we confirm who the child belongs
So
to.
what you gonna do? Because we can call somebody else then. What you gonna do? Because what do you mean?
We're going to find who the child
She's
belongs
the mother of the child.
Then why are you
Obviously, we're here.
Stop cursing.
No,
Because you
I don't give a.
Man,
I don't
relax.
give a.
That's not your child, then get the hell out of here.
No, I drove him here. What the?
You're going to get arrested. You're going to get arrested. You don't leave. You're causing a scene.
I
Your
have to pay for
children.
my. Don't touch me. I have to pay for my.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you. Back the up.
Don't spit
Get
on
out
me
of my
and stop
face.
cursing.
So get out of my face.
Keep this up. You
keep it up. You keep it up.
That's your last one.
Man, listen, we're calm.
I don't care. I'm not calm now. I'm not calm.
You need to be calm.
No, I don't. Get the out of my face.
Either leave or you're going to get arrested.
Bro, arrest me.
We're not going to sit here and deal with this.
I swear to God, arrest me. Arrest me. I swear to God. I swear to God, don't arrest me. What you got? What reason? What reason?
walking your stuff
What
out.
reason?
Is it paid for?
What reason? No, it's not
Start
paid for.
leaving.
It's
Start
not.
leaving.
Get out of here.
What's the last one you did?
Excuse me.
What do you think you're doing? You're
Oh my God.
You got it?
just grab cuff. You want to do this. You did
Okay,
this to
so
yourself.
what? Okay. So what? You want to call my lawyer?
Relax.
On my phone you are.
Relax.
On my phone you are.
Didn't have to
You don't
happen.
have
You did this to
you
yourself.
don't have a reason to do this. All right, so what?
Relax.
I'm gonna. You want to? Or you want me to take her?
Get off of me.
I'm trying to get the name.
Get off of me.
Yeah, that's some mother there. Hold on.
Bro. Why are you grabbing on me? I'm not doing
Hold wait.
I'm not doing to you. Don't touch me. Get off of me, bro. Now I'm gonna stand here because you told me to stand here.
Keep moving.
Oh, okay.
You want damage in? This is gonna be criminal mischief.
We have one under.
What? To who? To who? Because now you throwing charges for no reason. So, okay. Okay, go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I swear to God on my soul. What's your badge number, bro? What's your badge number? Why are you doing that to my arm? Why are you doing that to my arm?
Because you're pulling away.
No, the I'm not. Why are you doing that to my arm? And I'm walking right next to you. If you break my arm with my soul, I swear to God.
She yelled, "Arrest me then." So they did. Moments later, the real mom calmly walked in, proving once again that karma has perfect timing.
You're the mom?
Yes, I have.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, and that's your child.
Yes, it is, but
Okay.
I had my daughter in the bathroom. I'm taking my daughter to the bathroom, and she was.
Okay.
Yeah. So
You're calm. I'm gonna speak to you. Okay. Like I said, you guys are not in any trouble. She caused all this. If she didn't get so excited and loud, she would not be in handcuffs right now. Okay. You have your license with you.
Keep on in your mouth.
Yo, what the fuck I'm keep on my mouth? I got a right. I can talk. Fuck you mean? Now, I swear to God, on my soul.
It's just behavior
On my
while
soul.
you
No,
get
I don't care. God, no reason. No reason.
So you guys were here paying, and he just walked off.
no, when I came, when she said she had to use the bathroom, she was in the car.
And she was watching him. Okay.
No, they're all here. He wanted her.
Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of kids. I get it. Happens all the time. So here's your license back. What's the phone number for you?
Do you have any weapons on you?
How you say what? You think?
Okay, I'm searching with the back of my hand. Okay.
You do all this. I got kids to take home.
Spitting on me.
Bad. I can talk.
Okay, but you don't.
I don't care. My mouth is wet. What the f? You gonna dry it out for me? You gonna air dry it? Are you?
Just stop spitting.
No!
Inside the patrol car, she kept screaming, "I can't breathe. I did nothing wrong, and they choked me," right before spitting on the cops. Nothing says responsible adult like a public meltdown and zero self-awareness.
It's cool though. I swear to God, my phone, y'all done.
Face that way, please.
Shut up. Don't put your hand on my neck.
Okay,
Get off my neck.
on me. I said
Get off my neck.
nobody's touching your
You're
neck.
touching my neck. I can't breathe.
All right, you're
I can't breathe.
for ag assault.
I
for
can't
spitting on
breathe.
me. I'm not even touching your
I'm
neck.
not even spitting on you. I'm talking. I can't breathe.
Give me the seatbelt.
Yeah, it's ag assault because you're spitting on me.
I can't breathe.
On purpose.
No, I'm not. I'm talking. I can't talk. I can't talk. I can't talk. I can't talk.
Disorderly conduct and ag
Okay,
assault.
so charge me. Hurry up. I don't care. I'm not the mother of the child. I'm not the mother of the child. It doesn't matter. You didn't have no right to talk to me. None.
So disorderly, and she's been spitting on me the entire time. So I'm charging her with ag
No,
assault.
I was talking. I was having a conversation. First of all, I was never spitting on you. I don't have a reason to spit on you. I have a reason to do that. And so I have to go drop him off.
He's getting the rest of the info from the mother. This woman is not the mother of the child.
How long is it going to take? I have to drop them back off. I brought them here in my car. My keys and everything is in that place.
Okay, just stop talking right now.
Sir, I brought them here. I have to take them back home. They came here in my car. My phone and
Who
my...
are you talking about?
My friend and my family. Who do you mean that's my family?
Okay, what is your question about your family? I can't.
When am I coming back so I can take them back home? My car is in this parking lot.
She's gonna have to make other arrangements. And
So how am I going to get back to my car?
what's that?
How am I going to get back to my car?
How are you gonna get back?
Yes.
Figure that out when you get released.
When do I get released? Why are you even arresting me? You don't have a reason to
I
arrest
told
me.
you because of disorderly
But
conduct.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Ag assault on a police officer.
What that shit? She went talk.
And-
It had nothing to do with me.
Okay.
Why? You should understand my frustration. I'm in there with 3 kids and a mom. She's in there.
You had your opportunity.
Bro, but I tried to tell you I don't have nothing to do with that.
You didn't. You were screaming and
I said I don't have nothing to do with that. I'm not the mom. I said I'm not my kids. So now I'm going to jail. I have to sleep there too? I don't even have any other charges, so what am I going to jail for?
I just explained it to you.
Okay, so I have to go county.
I don't know yet.
No, I don't. I don't have any charges.
Okay, if you say so.
She ended the day with charges for assaulting police and disorderly conduct. A perfect combo meal for people who mistake drama for personality. Was she defending her pride? Or just auditioning for the next mugshot of the week?